Hi, Tisman Mullah here. Today I'm discussing this 2 meter by 1 meter garden bed. It's a wicking garden bed that I've created. Firstly, it's 41 centimeters high, which means that the amount of soil in it is double what you get in a normal above ground bed, which is about 20 centimeters high. This has plenty of advantages in the sense that it creates a better home for all the biota in the soil. We have about more biota in a handful of soil than people on earth. It also creates greater depth for the roots of the plants, and therefore we get better plants. There are several other features that I'll discuss as far as this wicking bed is concerned. Firstly, in terms of watering, we water into this aggie pipe. We water into this aggie pipe, and the water then permeates across the garden bed. We judge the level of water in the bed by going to this gauge here. When it is about half the height of this pipe, it means that the reservoir is full. This also means that you do not have to water for about 2 to 3 weeks. We can judge the level of the water in the reservoir from that gauge. The next thing you will see is that we've divided this up into 30 centimeter squares. This is to allow us to plant in squares, which is much more efficient. If you want to read about this, you can read about it on the internet under the topic of square foot gardening. What I've done here is I've also planted a few plants from trials. So for example, this is Brazilian spinach here in front, the kale here at the back, the tomato plant, the aubergine plant, this rather sick looking green pepper, as well as this kale here and this tomato. These were from previous trials. The rest of them are from seedlings. So we've got kale, we've got radish, we've got carrots, more radish, kale, I've got lettuce here, I've got chives, I've got spinach, more lettuce, I've got a fair amount of shallots, which are also very rich. I've got a cress there. So what am I expecting is that within 2 weeks I will be able to harvest all these greens a bit at a time, continuously throughout the year. The idea here is to grow very nutrient rich foods because we want to look after our health. The idea is not for the plants to grow as fast as possible. Although in this system the plants do grow quite fast. What we are looking for is that in about 6 weeks time we will have this situation here with this level of growth. Obviously we won't have that, the tomatoes growing, that will take about 2 to 2.5 months, but we want this sort of growth so that we can be very healthy in our eating. Thank you very much.